Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chen Rodriguez, Mama Saglit Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingin natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of February 22 hanggang February 28 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mga hangilap? So guys, ito na. Itong kaya na't bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me an information po. There's an Empress card for rebirth. So this is something, a new beginning coming in for you guys, no? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, pag-asa, na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng panibagong biyaya. And this is something, the Seven of Cups. A lot of opportunity coming in for you, no? Maraming oportunidad na mapasok dito. Some of you guys, parang maguguluhan ka na lang sa pagpili. And this is the Four of Wands. A lot of celebration, a lot of event. There is something homecoming, a family gathering. So let's see what is the additional messages. And there's a Ten of Wands in reverse. So something, no more burdens, no more struggles, no more complications, no more responsibilities, and no more backstabbing, no? Parang wala nang mga kirot, wala nang hirap, gano'n. Parang tatapusin to this time, na parang makakabangon at makakaahon ka na. And there's something that temperance for a solid foundation. Nakikita mo yan? Kung paano siya naging matatag, no? Parang mayroon ditong na sumusuporta, no? At mayroon talagang pumuprotekta sa kanya, no? That temperance is something, a perfect timing for you or divine timing. That this is the moment, no? Para makarecover ka na. What is additional messages? And there's a lovers, no? Connected with your love life. So some of you guys, if you are being singles, no, may darating na pag-ibig na magpapatibok sa pihikang puso mo. Or either, if you are being married, so maaaring bumalik ulit at magkaroon kayo ng higher level of commitment. Oh, what is the Empress card? The Empress card represents with the Nine of Pentacles, I told you. So, this is a financial windfall na may paglakas at paglago ng finances. Now, this is the moment na maaaring may biyaya talaga na panibago na namang bigay sa iyo. There's the Seven of Cups, represent what? Represent with the Sun card. This is something of pure positive outcome. And this is something of purifications, no? May mga lilinisin sa eksena mo na napipili ka, no? Kung itong opportunities na to, lahat ng mga bagay na to ay good, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na ibibigay sa iyo magaganda. So, kailangan mo lang talagang pumili or pag-isipan mabuti. And there's a Knight of Wands, represent what? So there's something, the Wheel of Fortune. I told you, this is something good luck and blessing coming in for you. There's a lot of celebration. There's something turning back to your favor. Na maaaring iikot ng kapalaran, maaaring pumabor na sa'yo. And there's a Ten of Wands in reverse. Represent with the Nine of Pentacles. Security. Maging secure ka pagdating sa finances, no? Maging practical ka at the same time. No? Kumbaga, hindi ka na dapat nagtitake ng any obligations na magbibigay ng burden or drain sa utak mo. No? What is that temperance? Sa madaling salita, ang hirap tulungan ng taong ayaw tulungan ng sarili. No? And there's an Ace of Wands for a new project, new plan, and new business venture, guys. No? Magkakaroon ka ng panibago eksena dito na magdadala sa inyo ng new beginning. So, let's see what is the lovers. Represent what? The lovers represent the Queen of Pentacles. So, this is something practicality and good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa love life, may partnership daw dito. No? So, let's excuse me. So, let's see what is the Empress card, because the Nine of Pentacles. There's a Devil card. Oh my God! Ibig sabihin dito, may umakad na o may tumututol sa eksena mo. No? May, kumbaga, merong inggitera na nasa paligid mo. Naiingit siya sa lahat ng mga natatamo mo. No? May gustong, di ba? May gustong sumapaw or gustong humarang. No? Let's see what is the Seven of Cups because the Sun card. There's a magician. Oh, see? There's something magician. No, there's a black magic involved. No, gumagawa siya ng palipad na hangin or kamalasan, no? Kumbaga, gusto nito malasing ka. What is the Four of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune? Represented with the Three of Pentacles, collaborations, no? Communicate clearly, guys. No, mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-communicate, magbibigay ng mga impormasyon. May mga tao sa paligid mo na hindi natutuwa sa success mo, no? Sa lahat ng mga bagay na natatamo mo. Kaya mag-ingat ka sa magbibigay ng mga impormasyon na, ay, makukuha ko yung ganito, ay, darating na yung ganitong ganyan. Kumbaga, mayroong mga opportunities or blessing kang makukuha. Huwag kang mag-share ng information sa tao na to. There's an evil eye. What is the Ten of Wands in reversal? Because the Nine of Pentacles, reversing with the Two of Cups, with a partnership, no? At yung sinasabi ko, mag-ingat ka, no? Sa pakikipag-coordinate, pakikipag-collaborate, socialize sa mga taong kumbaga ayaw maungasan, ayaw masapawan. What is the temperance? And of course, that's Ace of Wands. Represent with the Queen of Cups. So, something in healing. Magkakaroon ka ng emotionally healing dito dahil, kumbaga, malakas na at there's a solid boundary sa madaling salita, no? Matibay na at malakas na ang pundasyon mo. Hindi ka na basta-basta magpapatinag at parang hindi ka na nagpapa-apekto sa mga chika, chismis, ganon. What is the Lovers? Because the Queen of Pentacles represent with the Ace of Swords, a breakthrough, no? So even sa love life, guys, kumbaga your commitment is being tested, no? Kumbaga ang inyong pagsasama ay subok na. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome dito is the Seven of Pentacles. Now, this is something at the harvest moment, no? Mag-harvest ka na raw, no? And there's a Three of Cups, a happiness, celebration. One more card, please, to clarify this reading. And there's the Fool card, a new beginning. A blessing is yours. And there's a leap of faith. Now, dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, pagkakalooban ka na ng biyaya, no? So, let's see what is additional messages, no? Pagdating sa finances and career. And there's something, the Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, not because of your action, or dahil sa pagiging, mo dito, kumbaga, madaldal, no? Nag-share ka ng mga impormasyon sa taong ito. Madala ka na. And there's a judgment. Pay attention, no? Pinapaalala ka na huwag ka nagbibigay ng impormasyon sa tao na to. Ang laki ng inggit niya sa'yo. And there's something, the Justice card. Don't you worry. Karma is waving. Excuse me. So, sinasabi dito na may karmang kaakibat to na ginagawa sa'yo, no? Para maging malasing ka pagdating sa finances. Kaya mag-ingat ka, guys, ha? Huwag ka mag-alala, parang kinakarma na siya. Let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa love life. And there's a Star card for healing, recoveries. No, magkakaroon kayo ng healing dito pagdating sa pagsasama nyo, sa relasyon nyo. And there's a Two of Pentacles with a balance. No, magiging balance na daw ang inyong pagsasama. And there's a Seven of Wands that you are being protected. No, protektado daw ang inyong relasyon, pagsasama, pag-iibigan. Okay, pasabog. Let's see. Additional messages for health. Sa health mo, there's the Moon card for a truth reveal. No, ngayon maliliwanagan ka na kung ano yung mga bagay na nararamdaman mo, it's not ordinary. No? May gumagawa sa iyo ng hindi maganda. Hindi niya maharangan na pagdating sa finances, doon kanya tatargetin pagdating sa health issues mo. And there's a Two of Wands by choices, no? Kumbaga kailangan maging ka dito, open ka for spiritual, no? Kasi more on medical ka. So kailangan magbukas ang utak mo sa nangyayari sa iyo na walang mawawala kung maniniwala ka with a spiritual knowledge, spiritual teachers, no? Like albularyo, magagamot, ganon. And there's the hangman. Now, there's a stock, no? Kumbaga yung sakit mo na yon, nandun lagi yon, hindi yun nawawala, no? Hindi nawawala yung pain, hindi nawawala yung nararamdaman mo. You're, parang hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw, lutang ka, ganon. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Represent what? For a Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? And there's something, the toxicities. I told you, a toxic patterns, no? Meron talaga dyan sa paligid mo na may mga naiinggit sa'yo, no? With your relatives, with your friends, no? Ganon, environment, additional messages, and this is something Pluto with the transformation. Malaki pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo. Kasi kumbaga po protection at papangalagaan mo ng sarili mo. Nakikita mo yan, there's a facade na may hawak siyang mukha na there's a something impostor na nagpapangga, no? Hindi totoo yung pinapakita niya sa'yo. Let's see, what is the synchronicities? Represent what? For synchronicities to represent with a brother. Oh my God, may kinalaman dito, makakapatid mo to, ha? No, naiinggit sa'yo. And there's a community. Ibig sabihin, tinuring mo tong kapatid. There's a community, ibig sabihin, kapitbahay mo. And there's a roots, no? May ugat tong eksena na to. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo to napautang, hindi mo to napahiram. May pinanggagalingan to, kaya malaki ang inggit sa'yo. There's a community, it's either nasa paligid mo, environment mo, kapitbahay mo, and of course, your brother, no? Let's see what is the messages of life. And of course, there's something that paid off, no? Bitawan at pakawalan mo yung nagbibigay pabigat sa'yo, no? Nagbibigay ng sama ng loob, kumbaga pigati, no? Gigil, ngit-ngit, ganon. And there's a business venture, no? There's something, a business coming in for you, no? Parang hindi ka aware sa business ito na magkakaroon ka ng knowledge. And this is something, easy does it, no? Stop trying so hard to control this situation, no? Huwag mo piliting kontrolin yung isang bagay na alam mong hindi mo naman hawak. So, unfold it naturally. Hayaan mo siya mangyari. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels with the Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's something single. Now, some of you are single dito, not in relationship. And there's something called hearing from them. Now, mayroon ka matatanggap na tawag sa kanya. Tatawag to para humiram ng pera o mangutang. Amen. And there's something love signs. Now, there's something for a love involvement dito. Mari nagsiselos, naiinggit, no? May ganon. Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And there's an innocence, no? May mga bagay na innocent ka. Wala kang kamalay-malay sa nangyayari, no? Itong tao na to, hindi mo akalaing na kaya niyang gawin sa iyo yun. And you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka. And there's a believe and trust. So, ibig sabihin, dito susubukan niyo paniniwala mo, no? Kung magtitiwala ka ba, maniniwala ka ba sa nangyayari sa iyo, gato ganyan, diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. Kasi parang may hirapan ka paniwalaan to sa sitwasyon mo na itong tao na to kaya niyang gawin to, gano'n. And there's something yellow, flexible, no? Flexibility. Kaya, kumbaga open ka kasi, no? Transparent ka sa mga lahat nangyayari, nag-share ka ng information. And there's something winning within itself inventory. So, kailangan, kumbaga, protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito, no? Mas palawigin mo at palawakin mo yung, sarili mong pag-unlad, no? Hindi ka dapat nag-share ng information na alam mong gagamitin or sasapawan ka sa eksena. What is the angel's answer? Represent what? Represent with the don't stop, no? Huwag kang hihinto, tuloy-tuloy mo lang. And there's something, ask for help from others. So, kailangan mo ng tulong ng ibang tao. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit, guys. And there is something, a fear, no? May mga takot at pangamba ka dito. At the same time, there's a denial. Ina-acknowledge mo yung fear, replace mo yan ng awareness. So, hindi sa natatakot ka, nangangamba ka lang, no? Ano yung mga bagay na pinangangambahan mo? Ganun siya. Let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Archangel Raphael messages, I leave stressful situation behind. So, see? Isa na nagbibigay stress dito, yung sitwasyon mo. Alam mo guys, dapat maunlad ka na. Kasi may mga obligasyon sa paligid mo na ibinibigay sa'yo o meron na mga tao sa paligid mo na mapang-abuso. And there's a caffeine free. Umiwas ka sa cafe, oh. Diba? Acidic ka. So let's see what is additional messages in your spirit. And there's a you're not alone. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. No? Kumapit ka lang. And there's something, I am sorry. No? Kung mag-sorry dito, may hihingi ng tawad dito. No? dito susubukin kung bibigyan mo siya ng second chance para ululing ka ulit. Na para tarantaduhin ka ulit. What is the Monsology? There's a take your time to breathe out. So, kailangan mo ng oras para pag-isipan, para huminga, and you are good enough. Nasapat ka na eh. Kung ikaw lang eh. Kaso may mga tao sa paligid mo na inaabuso ang iyong kabaitan, no? Ang pagiging generous mo, ganon. And there's a deceit. I told you, sabi ko na nga ba, may mangkukulam. Nakikita mo ang creepy ng mukha. Diba? May mangkukulam. And there's a cornucopia. Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetable, no? Pampataas ng fiber. And this is something all tied up, no? Sinasabi dito, kailangan mo nang kumawala with a toxic environment. Toxic family. What is an additional message with an angel spirit, guys? And there's a strength card. So, kailangan mo maging malakas, matibay. And there's a trouble, guys. Some of you may trouble pa dito. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels pagdating sa relasyon. Pag-ibig. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? There's a wedding. Some of you guys, no, ikakasal or kasal. And there's a something, let your friends help you. No, may mga kaibigan mong tulungan ka. Double clarification yan, ha? Merong kaibigan na tutulong sa'yo dito. What is the Jesus loving code said? Blessed are the peacemaker, for they shall be the called and cheer of God. Now, binibless daw yung mga taong mas pinili yung kapayapaan kaysa pumatol at gumanti sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang tao na puno ng kasamaan na ginawa sa'yo, no? Mas piliin mo magkaroon ng kapayapaan at kumbaga, tahimik na buhay. For the chakra messages, represent what? And there's a trickery. Sinilin lang ka, niloko ka. May ganong scenario dito, guys. And there's something, a confession. Huwag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. Na maubos ka. And there's something passion. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Let's see what is that angel's number. Represent what? Angel's number represent with a 10-11 with a taking action, no? Ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para kumilos, gumalaw. This is a call to an action to move forward. The sooner you get going, to the sooner you will accomplish what you set out to do. Those with the patience will eventually reap the rewards for their perseverance, no? Kung marunong ka magtiyaga, marunong kang kumbaga maghintay ng mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga, there's something a new beginning and fresh start, no? Magkakaroon ka ng panibago eksena dito. Ayusin mo lang yung lifestyle mo, no? Kasi may mga tao sa paligid mo, guys, na kailangan mong umalis or kumawala dyan, na masyado mapang-abuso yan nasa paligid mo. This is a spiritual awakening para mamulat ka sa totoong klase ng buhay. What is the messages of life represent? Appreciations, no? There's something appreciation with I am grateful for the abundance in my life as I direct my thoughts towards all that is wonderful in my world. My troubles and worries lightened with a full heart. I appreciate all that I have. Today, I accept what it is and choose to be satisfied. I express my loving things to the universe of the wealth that is mine. So see, kapag marunong ka mag-appreciate ng mga bagay na merong kamaliit man o malaki, mas lalo kang pagpapalain, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na kailangan mo lang pakawalan yung sarili mo sa mga negatibo, sa mga bagay o tao na hindi nakikita rin yung halaga mo. No? So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of February 22 hanggang February 28 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi natin makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-umapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!